30 minutes. Let's go. I once again thanks to the speaker for his informative and valuable lecture and giving time for his busy schedule. Thank you, sir. Namaskar.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. I am
Now
going
we
to leave
start
now.
our technical session 2.
Thank you, sir, for nice session.
Okay. Thank you all.
Now we start our technical session 2. This session will be moderated by our another convener, Dr. Subhankar Sardar, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Chemistry, Bhatter College, Dantan.
Thank you, Dr. Alauddin Dafadar, sir. Before the lecture, let me introduce the speaker to the audience. Dr. Soumen Ghosh is working as an assistant professor in computer science and engineering data science department at Haldia Institute of Technology. He has more than 7 years experience in teaching and 1 year industrial experience. He completed BTech in computer science and engineering from the Meghnad Saha Institute of Technology. He have completed MTech in computer science and mobile computing from Central University of Jharkhand with distinction, and also awarded gold medal by Central University of Jharkhand. Now he is pursuing his PhD from PIT Mesra. He has published several research papers and conference papers and book chapters. With this brief introduction, I welcome Dr. Soumen Ghosh for a delivering lecture. Sir, please start your
Thank you. Thank you to the college management and Professor Dr. Alauddin sir, and also thank you to the principal sir of the college. Okay, I am now starting my presentation. Please wait a few minutes. I will start my presentation. Is it visible to everyone?
No, sir. There is
No,
no
sir.
slide.
Okay, 1 minute, please.
Yes, now it is visible, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And today I am going to discuss on the topic that is the introduction to artificial intelligence and its application. Uh, First one is the definition of AI. So basically, the artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of the human intelligence in machines, and it also capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. Uh, so these tasks include the learning from the experience, understanding natural language, recognizing the object and sounds, and problem solving skill also should be there. And the AI system basically are designed to process the vast amount of data. Without data, we can't do anything. So to identifying the pattern and adapting the new information or allowing them to make informed decision without human intervention. Basically, the artificial intelligence is the combination of the algorithm, machine learning, and neural network to achieving the goal of our human activity. The machine learning is a basically the subset of AI and which enable the system to learn and improve from the experience without being explicitly programmed. And other word, if you want, the other main key area of the AI, which include the natural language processing. In short term, we can say NLP, computer vision, and robotics. These are the some other areas. So we can say the AI basically aims to simulate the human like the intelligence in machines, which enhance the automation and decision making across the various industry, or from any healthcare and any finance to education and entertainment purpose also. This is the history of AI. From the 1950s, the concept of the origins uh, of AI, it will come first. The foundation of the AI, which laid in the 1950s, one British mathematician named as Alan Turing, who introduced the idea that machines could simulate the human intelligence. And his concept of the Turing test, which aimed to evaluate whether a machine could exhibit the intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. And one conference was there, that is the name is Dartmouth Conference, which in 1956 is organized for the artificial intelligence purpose. And nowadays it is considered at the birth of the AI field of the study. After that, 1960 to 1970, there are some algorithms or optimization techniques are developed. Some AI system like all we know about ELIZA. This is one of the first chatbot which demonstrate the language understanding. And after that, 1980s, AI winter is there. And then after that, the revolution from 2000 in the year of 2000 to present, means 21st century, AI saw a resurgence driven by the breakthroughs in machine learning and the development of the deep learning. The advances in the computational power to handling the big data or neural network field, the AI progress much more. The AI applications such as speech recognition system, image processing system, and some autonomous system, these things are involved. This is the types of artificial intelligence. Mainly three types are there. First one is narrow AI. Narrow AI means basically we are saying weak AI. This type of AI is specialized in performing some specific tasks, such as some facial recognition or language translation, these things. It widely used nowadays, but operates some under predefined constants. Next one is general AI. It's like the human intelligence. This type of AI mimics the intellectual task that a human can do. It is nowadays in a theoretical stage, and it is the we are now focusing for the advanced research on this strong AI part. Third one is super AI. This is a hypothetical artificial intelligence. which surpasses the human intelligence in all aspects, including the creativity and decision making. These are the main key components of AI: machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, expert systems. So these all are the subset of artificial intelligence. This is the machine learning. This is already I told the machine learning is a subset of the artificial intelligence, which mainly focused on the development of the algorithms and which allow the computers to learn from the data. Basically, there are three types of machine learning technique. One is supervised learning, another one is unsupervised, and third one is the reinforcement learning. So supervised learning is basically where the algorithm is trained using the labeled data. That means the each input of the training set is paired with a corresponding correct output. The goal of the supervised learning is for the model to learn a mapping from input to output, so that it can make some accurate prediction or some unseen data. There are two main types is there inside the supervised learning. First one, you can say the classification, and second one say regression. In classification, what we can do, the model predicts the predict the discrete level. Means the determining whether a I'm giving one example, determining whether an email is spam or not. So this is the classification, yes, no. And for regression, it predicts the continuous value. Continuous value means, example, forecasting the house price based on the various features. Means suppose you are taking a room rent. So from that room, the hospital facility, we can check the hospital facility, we can check the market is available or not, school college is available or not, the size of the room, the decoration of the room, everything we can check. After that, the price will be fixed. So this is, we can predict by using the regression model. And second one is our the unsupervised learning. So here the algorithm is given the data without labeled output. Instead of being the trained or specific input output pairs, the model analyzes the data to find the hidden patterns or any hidden structure or any hidden relationship is there or not. The main aim is there to uncover the insight from the data without human intervention or predefined label. Here, this unsupervised learning is also two types. One is clustering, another one is association. Clustering means basically grouping. It grouping the data point into cluster, and based on their similarities, we can group. Such as the segmenting customer into different groups based on their purchasing behavior in a mall. This is one our example of the clustering. Means suppose there is a mall, some customers, they want to buy 2 pen. If you give one pencil free with the 2 pen, then want to buy, otherwise not. So, and what is the association? Association means large data set. often used term in market basket analysis to identify the items that frequently occurring together. Some example you can heard that about the unsupervised learning, that is for anomaly detection or any fraud detection technique, because we can group here. And the third one is the reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make the decision by interacting with an environment. From the environment, it can learn, and the agent takes some action and receiving the feedback in the form of rewards or penalties for aiming to maximize its reward over time. One best example of reinforcement learning, that is the ChatGPT. From the ChatGPT, when you are asking something, it will give you the result. If you give 7 times same question, it will give you different result. It will learn from the input what you have given, and from there it will learn and it will give you the output. So this is the supervised learning. Already I told you we are used here label data and classification and regression process here. Classification and different regression algorithm we can use here, and the application is like means example spam detection or predictive analysis. And for unsupervised learning, we are used here unlabeled data and clustering and association rule mining we have used here, and example is market segmentation or anomaly detection. And this is the reinforcement learning. Here learning by interacting with the environment, and here we will maximize our aim is to maximize the cumulative reward, and application is game playing. Yes, another one good example, this is robotics. This is natural language processing, short form NLP. A branch of AI means artificial intelligence focused on the interaction between the computers and humans using natural language. Sentiment analysis, chatbots, language translation. These are the example of natural language processing. Also, you can use here text classification, machine translation, speech recognition. These things you can use. One best example of language translation, you can see Google Translate or a GPT-based chatbot. And this NLP basically plays a vital role in many applications such as virtual assistant, like all of you know about Alexa bot, and or another one chatbot like Siri. These are the automated customer support. Application of natural language processing, already I told Google Translate, Siri, Alexa, and other virtual assistant, text summarization or generalization. NLP also powers some search engines, like enabling them to understand and rank relevant result based on their query. This is another one important subset of artificial intelligence, that is computer vision. So artificial intelligence, basically computer vision is a field of the artificial intelligence which enables the machines to interpret and understand the visual data from the world, such as some image or some videos, and it mainly involves some processing, analyzing, or extracting some meaningful information from the visual input, which mainly allowing machines to recognize the object. It can be faces, it can be gesture, it can be any scenario. The key technique in computer vision include the image recognition, object detection, object image segmentation, or machine analysis. Application of our computer vision in in artificial intelligence. These are some autonomous vehicles in medical image, facial recognition in security system. In agriculture field also we can use computer vision for crop monitoring purpose. For security system you can also use the computer vision for the surveillance and threat detection purpose. Robotics. The design and creation of the robot capable of carrying out the task autonomously or semi-autonomously by using the robotic technology. We can use here for making the decision and the doing the task in automatic mode. We can use the robotics in industrial automation purpose, healthcare for surgery purpose, and any service robots like hospitality purpose. In five-star hotel there are some robot giving you the welcome, so it is good for our human. This is the expert system. This is also another one important part of the artificial intelligence. To mimic the human expertise in specific domain. They utilize a knowledge base which contains rules and facts about the particular field, along with an inference engine that apply the logical reasoning to derive the conclusion from this knowledge. The main aim is to solve some complex problem by providing the solution or recommendation, often in areas such as medicine, finance, engineering, and customer support. This expert system is used in medical diagnosis purpose. Nowadays, commonly we are used the deep learning for classifying the images. This is also another one important subset of machine learning. We will use here neural network and it consists of the multiple layer of interconnected neurons to form the deep learning network, and each layer process the data, extracting the increasingly abstract features, which mainly allows the model to getting the result. So this type of hierarchical learning approach is particularly effective for tasks such as image and speech recognition purpose. We can use RNN, recurrent neural network, for sequential data like time series data or any text data. For convolutional neural network, we can use for image recognition. We are using their image data. There are some updated version of CNN that ResNet 50, there are 50 layers we have used, Inception Net. So these are some updated version of the convolutional neural network. This is the neural network. This neural network basically a computational model which inspired by the human brain structure and function designed to recognize the patterns and solve some complex problem. It consists of the interconnected layer or nodes or neurons, and each should be represent a mathematical function. These layers are include an input layer, and one or more hidden layers should be there, and one output layer should be there. In deep learning application, we mostly use the neural networks. The application of AI in healthcare. For enhancing the diagnostics, treatment, and patient care, we are using the artificial intelligence. One major application in medical imaging, where artificial intelligence algorithm analyze the images from the X-ray, from the MRI, from the CT scan, to detect the anomalies such as any fractures or any tumors with high accuracy. It will helpful for the radiologist. And artificial intelligence also play a crucial role in predictive analytics. It can predict if there is any heart disease or not from the ECG signal data. In drug discovery, also artificial intelligence accelerate the identification of potential drug candidate by analyzing the vast data set and predicting how different compound will interact with biological system. And this can significantly reduce the time and cost of bringing the new medications to the market. Also, we can use for personalized treatment recommendation system. Artificial intelligence also play a vital role in autonomous vehicles. We are applying here the computer vision technique to see the processing the image from the camera to identify the object, and after that the sensors artificial intelligence in finance. Artificial intelligence in finance, we are using the for detecting the fraud or any algorithmic trading purpose, for risk management purpose, credit score purpose. We can use the artificial intelligence. For retail purpose, artificial intelligence enhances the customer experience, optimizes the operation, or drives the sale. Through some predictive analysis, artificial intelligence analyzes the consumer behavior to forecast the demand and personalize the market strategy. We can use here the chat box, virtual assistant, which provide the real-time customer support and improving the engagement. And artificial driven inventory management system optimize the stock level, reducing the waste and ensuring the product availability. In agriculture field also, we will use the artificial intelligence for precision farming, to monitor and managing the crops, And we are also used the artificial powered drones for the field analysis, for predictive analysis, whether for weather is fit for the particular crops or not. So this type of prediction we can use by the use of the artificial intelligence in agriculture field. In education purpose, we can enhance the learning experience through the personalized instruction, adaptive learning platform, data-driven insight. The intelligent tutoring system analyze the students' performance and tailor content to individual needs, which helping to identify the strength or weakness. And also artificial intelligence powered the chatbots to provide instant support to the student queries, while the predictive analytics assist the educators in monitoring the progress and improving the interventions. And for entertainment purpose, for example, all of you used YouTube, Netflix, any video games, any auto generated content, some some writing skills, some music, art. These things for entertainment purpose we are already used everyone in artificial intelligence. We have used in entertainment purpose. Artificial intelligence and ethics, here this is a critical field which examine the moral implications and social impact of the artificial intelligence technology. As artificial intelligence system become more integrated into our daily life, ethically the consideration around their use and development have gained prominence. Some key concern include some bias or fairness, as artificial intelligence models can exacerbate social biases present in the training data, which leading to discriminatory outcome. And also another significant issue is the transparency. Many artificial algorithms, which particularly deep learning models, operate as black box, which mainly making it challenging to understand how decisions are made. And the lack of the transparency raises some question about the accountability and trust. Ethically, artificial intelligence development here mainly focuses on creating some artificial intelligence system which mainly prioritize the fairness, transparency, accountability, and respect for the user privacy. It involves the assessing of the potential social impact of the artificial intelligence, which ensuring the algorithms don't perpetuate the biases or some discrimination. Developers are mainly encouraged to engage the diverse stakeholders, conduct through impact assessment, and implement the robust governance framework. Ethical guidelines also emphasize the importance of explainability, which allowing the users to understand the artificial intelligence decision. Artificial intelligence and job automation. So this mainly involve using the artificial intelligence technology to perform the tasks traditionally done by the human beings, leading to increase the efficiency and the productivity. So automation can streamline repetitive, such as manufacturing or customer service and data entry purpose. So while this can enhance the job performance and reduce the operational cost, it also raises a concern about the job displacement and the need for the workforce reskilling. Certain role may become obsolete while some new jobs may emerge in the artificial intelligence development or for artificial intelligence maintenance and other purpose. The balancing technology and advancement with the workforce adoption is crucial for ensuring that the benefit of the artificial intelligence are widely shared. For smart city, there is a vital role of the artificial intelligence. The impact in society by improving the decision-making process. It drives the advancement in healthcare, education, transportation, which offering some solutions like personalized medicine and autonomous vehicles. So human artificial intelligence collaboration is important for our society. Artificial intelligence and security. Artificial intelligence and security interact in various ways, enhancing both threat detection and the response capability. Artificial intelligence driven system analyze the vast amount of data to identify the patterns indicative of cyber threat, which enabling the proactive measures against the attack, and some machine learning algorithm we can use to detect the anomalies in network traffic. So there are some challenges are there, but we can solve by using the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has a vital role in data collection and analysis purpose. Artificial intelligence and privacy are interconnected both. So we have to concern about the data collection and its use. Artificial intelligence system often require the large data set to function effectively, which can include some personal information. So this raises some risk of the data breaches or unauthorized access. So artificial intelligence can enable the surveillance and profiling the potential infringing of the individual privacy right. These are our future of artificial intelligence, like edge artificial intelligence, explainable artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence for sustainability. The general AI is now a research stage. So we have to develop this thing. In future, in our daily life, nowadays mobile is, without mobile, we can't do anything like that scenario is nowadays. In future, artificial intelligence also will come in our daily life. In business purpose, also artificial intelligence used for decision making, customer experience, or some enhancing the efficiency of business. It automates some routine tasks, analyze the large data set for insight, and optimize the operation through the predictive analysis. Some artificial intelligence powered tool like chatbot improve customer service by providing some instant response. So these things we have already implemented in business purpose. There are some challenges in artificial intelligence. Despite the rapid advancement of the artificial intelligence, we are facing several significant challenges. First one is data limitation and biasness. Second thing is the energy consumption in artificial intelligence model. And third thing is the scalability and resource consumption, that is the trust and interpretability issue. As training complex, the artificial intelligence models can require some significant computational power and energy for raising the concerns about the sustainability. So these are the three main challenges in artificial intelligence. Some powerful tools and frameworks we have used, we must know. These are TensorFlow, PyTorch, SCI Kit-Learn, Learn. You can also use some Jupyter notebook for Python programming purpose. For cloud computing, we also embedded the artificial intelligence and we are creating some powerful synergies which enhance both in cloud computing and artificial intelligence. Cloud computing mainly provides some scalable on-demand resource which enable some organization to access the vast amount of storage and processing the power without investing heavily in local infrastructure. So this flexibility is essential for running the artificial applications. And the artificial intelligence benefit from the cloud computing through platform that offer some machine learning service, data analytics, and some pre-built algorithm, which mainly allowing some business to implement the artificial intelligence solution for more quickly and cost effectively. We already heard about the Amazon AWS cloud or Google Cloud, Azure, which is powered by the Microsoft. Model training or deployment. Also, similar like artificial intelligence and big data, both fields are important for our society. So the artificial intelligence role in processing and analyzing the big data. How big data enhances the artificial intelligence capability. So these things are done by the artificial intelligence. In smart homes, we can implement the artificial intelligence to enhancing the home automation and improve the living experience. Artificial home devices like thermostat, lighting system, security camera. So these things are used to learn the user preference and the behaviors, which enabling them to operate more efficiently. Artificial intelligence in healthcare robotics combine the advanced artificial intelligence with robotic technology to enhance the patient care and streamline the medical process. So this robot can assist in various tasks such as performing some surgery purpose, delivering the medications, and some aiding the rehabilitation. Artificial intelligence algorithms are also enable these robots to analyze the patient data for making the decision purpose. For climate and environment purpose also, we are use the artificial intelligence. For supply chain management, also we have used the artificial intelligence by for the for enhancing the efficiency and visibility and decision making for a business. By leveraging the machine learning algorithm and data analytics, the artificial intelligence can predict the demand pattern, optimize the inventory level, and improve the logistic operations. In conclusion, we can say that the artificial intelligence represent a transformative force across some various sectors, enhancing efficiency, innovation, and decision making. From healthcare to finance to transportation and entertainment purpose, the artificial intelligence applications are revolutioning the how we interact with technology and process the information. Some key components like machine learning, neural network, natural language processing, computer vision, expert system, which enable the systems to learn from the data and adapt to new challenges and automate the complex tasks. These are our future of artificial intelligence. It mainly holds the immense potential across various sectors, promising transformative changes in how we live and how we work. The advances in artificial intelligence are expected to enhance the automation, leading to greater efficiency in industries such as manufacturing, logistics, healthcare. And artificial intelligence driven tools will likely become integral in decision making, offering the insights which surpass the human capability in analyzing the large data set. So thank you to one and all.
Thank you, sir, for a nice session.
Thank you, sir, for detailed lecture on the AI related topic and its good and bad effects. And if any listeners have any question, he or she may ask the question. Please. I request all the listeners to please, if you have any queries, please ask.
Hello,
Yes,
am I audible, sir?
yes, yes,
Okay.
you are audible.
Okay. Sir, as there is AI all everywhere, so in future, should we stop thinking? Yeah, should human beings stop thinking or creativity?
No, your question is not, your question's answer is no. Because artificial intelligence, we have to think. We can develop the artificial intelligence algorithm. So for that purpose, we have to think. Otherwise, we can't able to learn the machine.
Sir, as everyone is using ChatGPT, Gemini for every kind of work,
Yes.
so that is the main point that no one is going to think or do its own work with.
Nowadays already some people means everywhere we are using the ChatGPT or the Gemini for getting some answer for getting some answer of a question. So you know about the software plagiarism.
Yes, sir.
The AI flag also should be there. By using the plagiarism software, the artificial intelligence enhances to check the AI flag. If someone directly copy from the portion to ChatGPT or Gemini, it will catch by the artificial intelligence plagiarism software. So nothing. This thing also done by the artificial intelligence.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. This is Dr. Agnibha Das Majumdar. I am
Yes.
from MITS College. So
Yes,
it was
tell me.
really a nice and informative talk, sir.
Thank
So
you.
we got many information from your presentation. So
Yes.
actually, my point is, I am working actually something, the application of physics tool to resolve some problem of agricultural products. So I
Okay.
am working on the food products and agricultural products with the spectroscopical techniques and different regressional, the statistical approach. So
Yes.
my point is where we can apply this artificial intelligence in this agriculture. You also raised this point. We can use. So actually, where we can use the artificial intelligence in agriculture, sir?
We for monitoring purpose, we are using the artificial intelligence drones.
Mm-hmm.
Um, for climate prediction
Mm-hmm.
purpose, we have used some artificial intelligence algorithms.
Okay.
Whether the climate is good or bad for a particular crop. So these are the helpful for the farmers.
Okay. So maybe for post-harvest grading and sorting also we can use artificial intelligence,
Yes,
right?
yes. Actually, the machine which done by the which cutting the crops. This is one type of robot.
Okay.
Yes or no, sir?
Yes, definitely.
So these are the application of artificial intelligence.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is there any question?
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yes, tell me, madam.
Yeah, actually not really a question, but exactly just a perspective. Like we are using AI in various fields. Like we
Yes.
are also having Chat GPT and all tools. Is it quite credible? Like if I say, okay, fine, I got certain diagnosis of a disease from an AI tool. Will,
Uh,
as a human, we will be able to use this perspective in long-term diagnosis or in an early phase? What do you suggest, sir? Or any other field, not
actually,
exactly for
madam.
medical field? Yeah.
Actually, madam. Hello. Am I
Yeah,
audible?
yeah, sure, sir.
Yes, actually, madam, suppose for suppose you think about the ECG arrhythmia classification, one topic name I told you.
Okay, yeah,
So for that purpose, you have to take some ECG data.
right.
These are image data. So you have to classify the image.
Definitely.
You have to classify the image. After that, you can detect the classification. After that, you can detect the arrhythmia is there or not.
Right. Actually, sir, once we are actually into the field of AI, like if we are actually aware of the things that we are actually using, the tools and the algorithms, in that case, it is quite easy for us to understand, okay, fine, the AI also works on the real life perspective. It
Yes,
also works out on the computation, not it is just the
yes,
artificial intelligence,
yes,
right?
yes,
But
yes,
when
yes.
I'm talking about the layman perspective, I'm not talking about the technical aspect of everything, but exactly the layman perspective. When people are trying to use AI, they're just using Chat GPT. Okay, fine. The sources and the credibility of information is exactly not justified when they're using AI, right?
Yes. Uh,
Actually, like this thing has to be catered out. Like in long term, like earlier, like if I say 20 years back, we were actually quite short of information. And everything that was used on internet was not actually available to us. We used to study the books and all,
yes,
right?
yes.
Right. But
These are
now
the
the things have
challenges.
changed. Yeah, right. Now the things have changed. Like everything is just available. You just Google it out and you are able to find out everything just in a click.
Yes,
right?
yes, yes,
Same
yes,
is with AI, like if I say,
yes,
right?
yes.
So we
Yeah,
have to be very cautious, like in case if we are using AI as an assisting tool, it is very good,
yes,
but we can't be totally dependent upon it.
yes, yes.
That would be the thing that we need to actually work upon, like what would be the technicality of this phase, be it if the applications of AI are quite widespread. Even I'm working into the field of AI, right? It's not just I'm just offending anyone or
No,
just
no,
was
no.
one.
Okay.
It was just my perspective because I am also sometimes quite a bit
Yes, you are right. You are
afraid,
right, madam. No issue.
right? So I just felt like, okay, fine, I just have an opinion regarding AI. Like I'm really afraid to use AI in everywhere. Like I can't quote my things. Okay, fine, I've got this results and conclusions from AI directly. I need to, once upon a thing, I have to ponder about the thoughts and the facts that I have taken to prove my point. Right, sir?
Yes, yes.
Anyways, it was a very nice session. Thank you, sir,
Okay.
such for such an
Okay, thank
initiative.
you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir, thank you. There is a time limitation, so we cannot take any question now. I once again thank you to the speaker for informative lecture and giving time for his uh, from his best
Thank you.
schedule.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you to the college management and principal sir and full team, those who have organized this session.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Now we have arrived almost the end of the today's seminar. Our next and last part is the vote of thanks. And for vote of thanks, I request another convener of this seminar, Dr. Kriti Ranjan Sahu. He is the head of the Department of the Physics of Bhatter College, Dantan. So I request Dr. Sahu to please start your vote of thanks session. Please.
Thank you, Dr. Subhankar Sardar. We thank from the
एक
National
मिनट हाँ.
Seminar on Fundamental of Artificial Intelligence and its application impact on society, organizer, and as well as the Bhatter College Danton, to the all participants for participating the program and enjoy the program. Thanks to Professor Turun Tapas Mukherjee for presiding address of the program. Thanks to Dr. Amit Mukherjee Mujumdar, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE NIT Jamshedpur, for delivering a beautiful lecture on fundamentals of artificial intelligence and its impact on society. Thanks to Dr. Soumen Ghosh, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Haldia Institute of Technology, IKEA Complex, Haldia, for delivering a beautiful lecture on artificial intelligence and its application. Thanks to National Advisors, Dr. D.K. Ganguly, retired professor, Department of Pure and Mathematics, University of Calcutta, and also Vice President of Calcutta Mathematical Society. Thanks to Dr. Rajkumar Rai Chaudhary, Professor ISI, Kolkata, and thanks to Dr. Arindam Bhattacharya, Professor of Jadavpur University, and thanks to Professor Rajibul Islam, Assistant Professor of St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, and thanks to organizing members, the Dr. Alauddin Dafadar, Department of Mathematics, at Bhatter College, Dantan, and thanks to Dr. Subhankar Sardar, Department of Chemistry, Head, Bhatter College, Dantan, and Dr. Kriti Ranjan Sahu, Department of Physics, Head, and Professor Suman Pradhan, Department of Mathematics, Professor Shambhu Nath Acharya, Department of Mathematics, Dr. Muni Shankar Sahu, Department of Chemistry, Professor Sutapa Chakraborty, Department of Chemistry, Professor Subhash Sen, Department of Physics, Professor Vishnu Priya Jana, Department of Physics, Professor Tapas Kumar Chandra, Department of Physics, and Professor Soumya Das, Department of Physics, Bhatter College, Dantan. Again, thanks to the conveners of the webinars, Dr. Alauddin Dafadar, Dr. Kriti, Sahu, and Dr. Subhankar Sardar. Again, thanks to the participants and enjoy the program from starting to end. And again, time welcome the all participants in our next program.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Sahu. With these vote of thanks and with the permission of the president of our program, I formally closing the today's seminar. Thank you to the all participants for giving their valuable time to the seminar. The feedback link is given in the chat box. I request all the participants to fill it and it will active for 30 minutes. Please fill it.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
One announcement, if it's possible,
Certificate will be provided to the participants after 7 days from the date of the seminar. So all participants are requested to keep patience and cooperate with us. It will take 5 to 7 days. Thank you.
না দাঁড়াও দাঁড়াও লিঙ্ক দিয়েছো ওরা তো সব বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে দাঁড়াও লিঙ্কটা খুলেছে